Hello everyone, so now we are at Manual Trade Copier. Let's say you have your multiple accounts, and you want to place trade into all those sub-accounts. Or, another case would be, you have to automate your family, friends, or your another Tradovate login. So in such cases, you need to create a separate PickMyTrade account in new Tradovate login, and you need to take their PickMyTrade token. So for such cases, we have created a Manual Trade Copier. So when you click on Add Client Account, it will ask you for Admin Tradovate account, from which admin's account you want to copy the trade from. Here it is copying trades into my other sub-account in the current Tradovate login. And here it asks for the Tradovate account and quantity multiplier. And if you want to copy the trade into my friends or family members account, so you have to ask them for their PickMyTrade token and Tradovate account name. And click on Add Account. So here it only allow us to add one admin account. We cannot add multiple admin account here. And if you want to do so, you have to create a new PickMyTrade account. So when you click to start, it starts watching your trade. Here it will notify us to start this every day, so it can keep track on. Now here is the trade history. So you can search for the master order ID, and whatever the slave account, they are going to get copied, and slave order ID of those slave accounts. In the message section, you can get the updates about what is happening with your trade. Like here, the trade is paused because your child or slave account gets paused, so you can watch all those things from your dashboard only. Here it is Liquidate trade options. So whatever your slave accounts are there, it would square of all the open positions, and close all the open orders. And we have the video tutorials for this also.